So today we're out here with one of our training pilot for the Bahamas drone training program.
Yes, good day. My name is Terrell Thompson. I am employed with Bahamas National Geographic Information Systems. And this drone training is very important to us because we get to be able to take our own orthomosaic images, help us a lot with surveying and mapping the area, and all for digitizing the Bahamas.
In this process of digitizing the Bahamas, how would this help towards climate change that you see moving forward?
Well, this will play a crucial role, especially with coastal development and coastal erosion, because we can actually monitor the beaches. We have an ongoing battle on this island to try to save our beaches and protect something for our future. So this would be a very powerful tool. You can survey, you can compare images actually on a monthly basis, depending on how many times you fly the drone.